Unraveling the phrase, piping up, a guide to English idioms. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, piping up. If you've ever heard someone use it and found yourself a bit puzzled, you're in the right place. Understanding phrases like this is crucial for fluent English communication, and we're here to break it down for you. Let's dive in. Piping up is an idiom that means to speak up, make oneself heard, or join a conversation, often after being quiet for a time. It can also imply speaking suddenly or unexpectedly. The phrase evokes the image of someone turning on a pipe, allowing the water, or in this case, their voice, to flow out. Examples in sentences. After the meeting had been going on for an hour, the quiet intern finally piped up with a great idea. During the family dinner, the youngest child piped up with an amusing story from school. The idiom, piping up, is believed to have nautical origins. On old sailing ships, orders were given to the crew by blowing a whistle or pipe. When an order was given, it could be said that the officer was piping up. Over time, this phrase took on a more general meaning of making oneself heard. Historical use. The captain would pipe up to signal the start of a task. Using piping up correctly means integrating it into speech in a way that is natural and contextually appropriate. It's often used in situations where someone might be hesitant to speak or when their input is unexpected. Tips for usage. Use it when referring to someone who hasn't spoken much in a conversation. It's appropriate for informal contexts and can add a playful or light-hearted tone. While piping up is a unique idiom, there are others that convey similar meanings. Similar phrases. Chiming in. This also means joining a conversation, usually adding to what is already being discussed. Speaking out. This means to talk about something boldly or publicly, especially to protest or support a cause. Thank you for tuning in. We hope this explanation has piped up your understanding of this charming English idiom. Remember, idioms like piping up add color and personality to your speech, making your English more vibrant and expressive. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to pipe up in your next English conversation. See you in the next video.